Your creativity is not something to be rationed or second-guessed. This month's sigil is here to help you let it move freely. Hello, my darlings, and welcome. This month, I created a sigil for anyone pouring their energy into vibrant creative work, whether that's visual art, writing, spellcraft, hosting a ritual gathering, or any creative endeavor that lights you up. This month's intention is I allow my creative forces to flow freely, confidently, and successfully. Let's do some magical crafting. Each month, I create a magic sigil for you to use in your own magical workings. I craft the intention into a sigil, turn it into a small piece of artwork, and then create a monthly satin drawstring bag for my sigil spell bag patrons. Creating a sigil is a focused, meditative act. You begin with a clear intention, a single true statement of what you want to call in. And you pour your energy and your will into building this symbol. As the sigil takes shape, you can repeat the intention like a mantra, entering a quiet, focused state where your conscious mind steps back and something deeper takes over. That's where the magic lives. A sigil works because symbols speak directly to your subconscious in a way that words simply cannot. Here are 3 of my favorite ways to work with this month's sigil. You can use it as a creative space anchor by placing it somewhere in your creative space, on your desk, near your altar, or tucked into your sketchbook, anywhere your eyes will find it naturally. Pair it with a small orange or yellow candle and a piece of carnelian or sunstone, and light the candle when you're ready to work. Let it burn as a quiet signal to yourself that this time is sacred and your creativity is welcome here. You can draw it lightly on your wrist or inner arm with a finger dipped in a carrier oil blended with a drop of sweet orange or rosemary, both associated with creativity and clarity. Do this intentionally as a small ritual of anointing yourself as a creative being, and carry that feeling with you throughout your day. Or you can place a written copy of it inside a spell bag filled with marigold petals, cinnamon stick, and a small piece of aventurine, ingredients that support creative confidence, momentum, and success in what you make. This sigil is yours to use freely in any magical working you do related to creative flow, self-expression, and trusting your own gifts. And if you'd like to receive a sigil spell bag in the mail, tucked inside a handwritten card from me, the link to join is in the description below. New bags go out every month to my sigil spell bag patrons, and I hope to see you there. May your creative energy move through you easily and without hesitation. May you trust what comes through you, follow it with confidence, and find joy in the making.